Hey guys, this is Valentina, your local Argentinian Spanish tutor. Welcome back to another video where I give you the best tips and tricks to improve your Spanish and help you sound like a real native speaker. As always, before we get started with the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn your notifications on so you don't miss any of our content. We post weekly content about everything Spanish, Spanish culture, vocabulary, conversation, grammar, everything you need to know and more. Also, follow us on all our social media. As you guys know, Spanish is my first language and I learned English in a very unconventional way. After years of trying different methods and institutes that in my personal experience didn't do much for me and honestly kind of bored me, I decided to learn English my own way. And I discovered that learning through things that I enjoyed and that were fun, I picked up everything much faster. So today, I would like to share with you some tips that I think are perfect for learning any language. So with no further ado, let's get right to the video. Okay guys, in today's video, I want to share with you 5 tips to improve your Spanish vocabulary. So, even though these tips are more of a conversation-based approach, it is really important, it's crucial to learn the grammar to any language in order to become fluent in this language. But sometimes some of us need that extra push and to do something that we're enjoying and that we're relaxed while doing. So this is what these tips are about. Number 1, pick a subject and make a list of all objects you can think about surrounding that subject. This is an exercise that helped me a lot when I was learning English. I'm a music student, so I started there. I made a list in my notes app with words related to music and my career and tried to memorize as much of them as I could. You can do these lists around your job, hobbies, professions, or anything really that you enjoy or find interesting. And also random things like objects you see around the house or in a specific room or even things you may encounter in the street. Making these types of lists will keep you focused on Spanish throughout your day rather than it just being an hour lesson once a week. Number 2, start watching Spanish TV shows and movies or rewatch your favorite ones with Spanish dubs. Some of my favorites these days on Netflix are La Casa de Papel, Vis-a-Vis, La Venganza de las Juanas, Élite, or Sky Rojo. Practice watching with English subtitles first, then Spanish subtitles, and eventually with no subtitles at all. Be patient with yourself, pay close attention to pronunciation, and rely on context and visuals to help you understand. Number 3, start reading books in Spanish. And if you don't feel confident enough to do that, reread your favorite ones in their Spanish version. I assure you, there is a Spanish version for every book in English. Keep the English version near you so you can always check if there's something you don't understand. And make a list of every word that you learn. Number 4, and one of the most useful so far. Journal in Spanish to practice your writing as well as your vocabulary. Journal about your day and try to incorporate Spanish words slowly. Make small sentences like, today I woke up at 7. Hoy desperté a las 7. Or yesterday I went to dinner with my friends. Ayer fui a cenar con mis amigos. This is much more fun than doing exercises that don't have anything to do with you or your life. Journaling in Spanish will improve your writing, your vocabulary, sentence structuring, and the most important of all, your confidence. And finally, number 5, engage in Spanish conversations with native speakers. All of this is great, but at the end of the day, the thing that's gonna help you the most is putting yourself out there. When I started learning English, I made a friend online who was from the US. We exchanged text and calls once a week for months, and that's one of the things that helped me the most, because I needed to learn English in order to communicate with her. And that urge, that desire to learn is what gave me the extra push that I needed to become fluent in the language. In today's world, you can make friends who speak Spanish basically everywhere. But I do wanna recommend Overcome the Barrier. Overcome the Barrier is a language learning company that offers you the amazing experience of having personalized lessons and one-on-one conversations with native Spanish speakers from all over Latin America. And there truly is no better way to learn. I teach at OCTB, and I've seen firsthand with my students and people who I've come to call my friends how fast one can learn how to speak a language while you're having fun in doing so. So, check out OCTB's website and submit to your first free demo lesson to start your journey towards Spanish. Okay guys, and that's it for today's video. As always, I want to say, if you're thinking about it, you're ready to do it. Don't be scared of learning a new language. It seriously opens so much doors and lets you in different cultures, and the way that other people live around the world is a fulfilling experience, and you don't want to miss out. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn your notifications on so you don't miss any of our content, and follow us on all our social media. And I hope I'll see you in my classes. Nos vemos! Mwah.